Hey, welcome to your channel, Generous, Gracious, and Gallant. I'm your host, Dr. Mohar M. Ghosh, and once again, I'm here for you to share an extremely inspiring Indian story with you. As you are aware, the channel Generous, Gracious, and Gallant was formed in 2016 with twin objectives of sharing daily, daily inspiration with you and sharing with all of you the best stories of mankind, the stories of mankind at their very best. Today, we have about 900 people with us on Facebook, WhatsApp, and YouTube. Could I request those of you who are coming for the first time onto this channel to kindly hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you get every notification of every video that we bring on to this inspiring channel. Today, the inspiring Indian who I am speaking to you about is Ankit Kawatra, who is making a difference to the hungry and malnourished children, senior citizens, and disabled personnel of India. Let me share some statistics with you which you are bound to truly blow your mind. In 2017, the Global Hunger Index report released by the Washington based International Food Policy Research Institute showed that in India, the hunger problem is much more than in the countries like North Korea and even Iraq. 2019, the latest report, which did a survey in 117 countries, rated India as having a serious hunger problem on a 5-point scale of low, moderate, serious, alarming, and extremely alarming. We were rated with a point score of 30.3 as serious, having a serious problem of hunger. It said that 14.5% of the population is undernourished, 37.9% of the children have a height problem, they have stunted growth, 20.8% of the children are undernourished, they are underweight, and malnutrition is at 3.9% in children less than 5 years of age. These are truly alarming statistics. Now, coming on to our inspirational Indian, Ankit Kawatra. Ankit did his business studies from the University of Delhi and for 2 years was with a global advisory firm. When he happened to go to a wedding in Delhi where he saw food for about 10,000 wedding guests getting wasted, and he started thinking as to why there is no method where this can be given to hungry people where we are facing such large scale hunger in this country. He discussed it with friends and left his career and started the organization Feeding India. His target is to collect excess food from weddings, restaurants, organizations, individuals, and give this to street children, senior citizens and disabled citizens who are facing a problem with hunger or undernutrition. Where he started with 2 volunteers. Today there are multiple donation centers. They have developed a smartphone app where you can join up to give donations. These food donations are collected and distributed. Today there are 15,000 volunteers, 65 Indian cities where they are operational at, and they have handed over 20 million food. While doing research for this video, this being an issue close to my heart, I have gone to their website feedingindia.org and registered myself as a volunteer. You can also donate on this website from a very small amount to feeding a complete family for about 500 rupees. You can contact them at their website feedingindia.org, and they are also available on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. Their email is contact@feedingindia.org, and you can contact them on the given mobile number 98711 78810. Even all our religions, be it Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai, Zoroastrian, everybody says feeding the hungry is one of the best things you can do as a human being. Feedingindia.org and its founder Ankit Katwara are offering you a chance to make a difference to the hungry in our society in India today. Please do stand up, be counted, make a difference. If you cannot donate in cash, does not matter. You can donate in kind. Your leftover food, which might suffice for feeding a few people, they will come to your doorstep and collect it from you. It is a wonderful opportunity that the huge amount of food that is going waste in our corporates, in our residences after parties, our functions like weddings, children birth, naming ceremonies, at our individual homes, we have so much of leftover food, and multiple times food gets spoiled and gets wasted and thrown away. Rather than letting this happen, please, I request you, stand up, be counted, reach out, give away this food. If not to Feeding India, at least to someone else. Maybe a simple gesture like giving it to your maid or to a beggar on the road might solve our problem of hunger. The statistics which I have shared with you earlier on India's hunger problem are truly mind-boggling and alarming. Let's take a stand. Let's get together and make a difference to the hungry in India. Friends, if you like the inspirational stories I share with you, please do subscribe to the channel Generous, Gracious and Gallant, and hit the bell notification so that you will get an update on every new inspirational video that I share on this channel Generous, Gracious and Gallant. For those of you, my friends, who are already my subscribers, thank you from the bottom of my heart. You make a difference to me and keep me motivated to share many more videos with you. Till we meet again in these COVID times, stay safe, stay healthy, good luck. And a request once again, please stand up, make a difference. Even if only to one person whose hunger you satiate, you would be doing a kindness. Stand up. Please make a difference. Thank you.